So what is the biggest barrier when it comes to saving money for a home? Student loans, high rent, or low wages? Cast your vote right now at 12news.com/bullhorn or comment down below if you're watching on Facebook or YouTube. The results minutes away. Hashtag most clicked. Here are the stories piquing everyone's interest right now. Number one, the Arizona Supreme Court is ruling in favor of a business's religious right and against a Phoenix law protecting LGBTQ people. In a 4-3 vote, the state's highest court says the owners of brush and nib don't have to create invitations for same-sex marriages. In 2013, the Phoenix City Council passed the civil rights ordinance protecting the LGBT community from discrimination. After the show, check out 12news.com for more details surrounding the ruling. Number two, scooters are now in downtown Phoenix. You may have seen them already in Scottsdale and Tempe. A 6-month trial is now underway. The pilot program runs until mid-March, and the city will decide whether to keep the scooters then. Meanwhile, in Tempe, police will now be enforcing new bike and scooter rules after a 30-day grace period. The biggest change, no riding on sidewalks if the speed limit is 25 miles an hour or less. Number three most clicked. Pittsburgh Steelers quarterback Ben Roethlisberger is out for the season. Big Ben suffering a right elbow injury during Sunday's game. In a statement, head coach Mike Tomlin saying Roethlisberger will need surgery sometime this week. The 37-year-old quarterback will then go on the injured reserve list. Now to your Arizona Cardinals. Kyler Murray is making NFL history despite the disappointing loss to the Ravens. The rookie quarterback is now one of only 2 players to pass for more than 300 yards in his first 2 games. Cam Newton is the only other player to accomplish that. And how ironic, because the Cards host Cam and the Panthers this Sunday at State Farm Stadium in Glendale. So how did the Cards do? David thinks they played well. It was entertaining. Sergio, not so optimistic, saying it's over. Come on, Sergio, we're only 2 games into the season. Chris, attending the game in Baltimore. We hope you had fun. And Amelia, cheering on the Cards, dressing up little Owen in a fit shirt. We love seeing your pictures, so keep them coming on the 12 News Birdwatchers page on Facebook. Only on 12 News, you may be watching us right now on a phone, tablet, or TV. Devices keep us connected to the world, but sometimes consume too much of our lives. So what happens when a family gives up all their digital devices for 24 hours? We'll put them to the test in the Digital Detox Challenge.
Hi there. How you doing?
This is Damian Nichols. These are Damian's 2 kids, twins, both high school seniors, and Damian's wife. They're ready to give up all their devices for 24 hours. We wired up their house with security cameras and confiscated everything.
1 phone, 2 phone. Okay, do you want to say goodbye? Okay, because it's gonna. Oh, the watch. There we go. There's more coming. Oh, the Kindle counts. Device free.
Damian's family is taking the Digital Detox Challenge, 24 hours off the grid.
You guys know the rules. There's no TV, there's no phones, there's no internet, there's no technology of any kind. I will go put the box over there.
Except Damian didn't even last an hour.
He lost his
Well,
mind.
he went crazy. He got bored very fast. Yeah, after like an hour, he definitely looked in the box.
Our security camera kept going off as Damian came back again and again, trying to get a look at his phone. And as the hours wore on, the rest of the family came looking too. After just 1 hour, they were already starting to break. You can see how they did after 24 hours on the 12 News app. Experts say there are really 3 secrets you should know about the device detox. First, overusing screens can be bad for your sleep and even increase anxiety. So some experts recommend you limit your screen time after dark. Turn off the vibration for your notifications and plan activities where you can put devices away and spend time with the ones you love.
In today's Pulse on Health, do your kids stay up super late? Do you have a night owl teenager? Well, a new study finds you may need to keep an eye on their waistlines. Researchers from Massachusetts General Hospital and Harvard find that teens staying up late and then getting up early for school tend to have more belly fat and bigger waists, especially girls. Experts recommend we try to make sure our teens get consistent sleep and get up at the same time, including on the weekends. Yeah, good luck with that. Speaking of teens, more than half of us parents think our teens have been in a car with a distracted teen driver. The University of Michigan finds those distractions include cell phones or other teens in the car. If you think you're a paranoid parent, don't be. The numbers don't lie. More than half of teens who die in car crashes are not behind the wheel. So a lot of you try to limit your teen riding in a car with a group of friends after dark or in bad weather. And speaking of bad weather, we have a shot at monsoon storms tonight. Crystal joining us with our forecast 411.
What a special surprise in Gilbert this morning. A double rainbow greeting you as those raindrops fell from the sky. There could be more where that came from because we are up in our monsoon game today. Throwing a 3 up there for the valley, a 4 for northern Arizona, a 6 in the White Mountains, and some flare-ups also possible in southeastern Arizona today. Strong winds could kick up dust today, lightning and flash flooding with more robust storms that erupt. Tonight, at a minimum, 79 in Phoenix. It's going to be a really nice evening. 58 in Pace and double fives for Prescott, 46 in Flagstaff. Tomorrow in Kingman, 88 on the cusp of 100 in Lake Havasu City. And it looks like we will crack 100 degrees tomorrow, which is spot on for the seasonal average this time of year. After today's storm chance, it is back to dry, dry, dry. That's going to be the theme all week long and into the weekend. Thursday, the breezes pick up, and Thursday and Friday both feature a double-digit high.
In other news, do you love taking selfies? Do you teeter on the edge, literally, to get the money shot? Well, one influencer couple is taking a lot of heat on Instagram for their pic. Take a look at what looks like a death-defying picture. The couple says it's just for show and the poses aren't actually dangerous. They say they're an optical illusion. In one picture, there was actually another pool about 25 feet below. Even still, more than 250 people have died since 2012 while trying to snap the perfect selfie. So please, be careful. Ever have a dream that feels all too real? Well, it happened to a Southern California woman, and it sent her to urgent care after swallowing her engagement ring. She remembered having a dream where someone was chasing her, and her fiance told her to swallow the ring, which she did in real life. An X-ray showing the ring inside her. Doctors have since removed it. The couple plans to tie the knot in May. Let's just hope this isn't a bad omen for them. Well, from a couple about to tie the knot to a happily married couple, but not just any ordinary couple. We're talking about one of the royal couples in the Daily Juice. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, to be exact. The Duchess of Sussex posting a sweet birthday message for Prince Harry's first birthday as a father. The post including a picture of baby Archie we've never seen before. Take a look at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. That black and white photo is from baby Archie's christening day. Kelly Clarkson reprises her role as one of the coaches on The Voice when season 17 debuts 1 week from tonight, only on 12 News. The super singer is known for singing a lot of covers, something she does on her new talk show, letting her audience pick the songs.
But no, and so what happens if they pick something that is really difficult? Have you had a song that's hard to sing?
Well, it's not necessarily that things are hard, it's just that they shouldn't happen. Like me covering Eminem was pretty much the...
Which Eminem song did you sing?
Challenge accepted. I can't, 8 Mile, Mom Spaghetti.
That's the one.
Yeah,
I know,
it was
Mom
so
Spaghetti.
bad, but whatever, challenge accepted. I'll sing anything.
Kelly joins Ellen at 3 p.m. right here on 12 News. Plus, Ellen asked J-Lo about the rumors she will headline the Super Bowl halftime show.
An Indian-Canadian YouTube star joining the NBC late night family
for many, many years.
What? No take-backs.
Set your DVR for tonight's debut of A Little Late with Lily Singh. The well-known YouTube star takes over the time slot that Carson Daly held for a long time. Lily will have in-studio guests, pre-taped comedy sketches, and signature segments. You can catch her at 1:35 a.m. after The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon and Late Night with Seth Meyers. Okay, so if you get mad and in a mood this week, we have just the place for you to go to blow off some steam. The motto there is the exact opposite of if you break it, you buy it. The Simply Smashing Rage Room in Tempe is the Valley's safest place to lose control, and it feels oh so good. Take a look in today's A to Z 60.
Simply Smashing is a combination of recreational and therapeutic destruction of inanimate objects. And you can come down with it with a baseball bat as hard as you can and the keys will fly.
Sweet.
People come in just for the fun of it and smash things like beer bottles, liquor bottles, plates, dishes. 2/3 come just for the fun of it. The other third come in because there's some serious stress in their life. They just feel exhausted and lighter, big smile on their face, and they just love it. I promise you'll come and have an experience like you've not had before. Most places you break it, you buy it. Here you buy it, then you break it.
Amazing. I feel rejuvenated.
Today's talker, what is the biggest barrier when it comes to saving money for a home? Well, right now, 72% of you say it's low wages, followed by student loans and high rent, just about the same at 14%. Keep on voting on 12news.com/bullhorn. And those of you watching on Facebook and YouTube, you can comment down below. Time now for the look ahead, the stories you'll be talking about a little later on today. There is a way to pay down debt faster and spend less money while doing it. The secret on 12 News first at 4:30. And that's your 12 at 12, the facts on everything you need to know in just 12 minutes, no commercials. We'll see you again soon. And now let's check in with Destry to see what's coming up next on Arizona Midday.
You guys are going to love this. Coming up, it is beautiful music for you from the Phoenix Boys Choir. Stay tuned for a listen. Plus, we're giving away tickets for Monster Jam. And stay tuned to win tickets to Universal Studios. Don't go away. We'll see you then.